أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Am I audible?
Walaikum salam.
Oh, great. So, how are you all? How are you all doing?
Fine.
You're fine. Okay, kindly use the message box here. Okay, chat box here. Inshallah, today's topic is the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which is Ar Rahman. Okay, and our academy name is also Al Rahman Academy. So, today's topic is how to write the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Arabic calligraphy, Fatal Tulus. Okay, now for before I start writing, I have already shared a video with you all so that you can, if you don't have column, so like you can make one out of ice cream stick. So, how many of you have done that? Do you have column? Just raise your hand who all have columns and who all have made one out of ice cream stick. Mm. Fast, everyone, fast. I want response from everyone, okay? Make sure whatever I'm asking, kindly respond. Okay, mashallah. So many of you have columns with you. Okay, very good. Nasreen, Aisha, Afra, Rushda, Sufi, uh, Aisha, Ilma, Sadia. Very good. And what about others? Do you guys have column or have you made one? Because today we are going to do calligraphy with qalam. I have Safia, I have already shared a video in the group before the session. Yes, I have qalam. Okay, good. Okay, let me read your messages now. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Voice not coming. Mic off. Be okay. उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Something is wrong. I can't hear anything. If you are unable to hear me, kindly rejoin. Okay. If anyone is facing any problem regarding audio or video, kindly rejoin. Okay. I already have Ponsi Kalam. Yes, ma'am, I have Kalam. No. Okay. Okay. Good. 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 So now let's start our session without wasting any time. So we need a kalam like this. This is what we use in Arabic calligraphy. This is called your bamboo kalam. Okay, bamboo stick. You can say bamboo kalam, or there is one more word for it. The name is uh, just got slipped from my mind. Bamboo kalam and okay, I'll tell you the name. I forget the name. Okay. So this is your bamboo kalam. So we write it. This is your traditional way of writing Arabic calligraphy. Okay, there are so many other tools which are available in the market, which are your modern tools which you can use. Okay, so here I am going to use a traditional pen, traditional column through which we write. Okay, yeah, reed pen. Thank you so much, Hasib. This is also known as reed pen. Okay, so for this we need one column. And we need ink. Okay, this is our ink container. So we need ink, column, and we need glossy sheet. The one which I'm using here is semi-gloss, but you can use this if you have it, or else glossy sheets are preferred. If you don't have glossy sheets, then what you are going to do, I will say that just take any paper, okay, and put some powder on it, and then just rub it like this, and then start writing. Okay, so here I'm going to use the pink color. In this ink container, I have ink and liquor. So this is my prepared ink pot. I'll start writing directly with it. So before I start teaching you how to write Ar-Rahman, I will break down all the letters so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Let's do it here. So first letter is your alif. Alif. Okay. So how to write alif in Qatal Sulus? Also, the script which we have chosen is Qatal Sulus, which is also known as Qatal Sulus. And Qatal Sulus and Thuluth is the same script, which is also the mother script of all. And it is also considered as the hardest one as well. But I think in my eyes, Qatal Kufik is the hardest one. But maybe. Okay, let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif. How to write alif? So we, for Qatal Visam, Qatal Sulus, we keep the angle of 72 degree. Okay. To understand the angles, I will again share the video with you because it's a big topic. I'll share the video with you. So we keep the column at 72 degree. Okay, 72 degree angle, we will hold our column. We hold the column normally like we hold the pen. With 72 degrees, might be 72 degrees little bit difficult to hold. So what we can do, we can hold it at 70 degree or 75. Okay, in between these two angles. So here I am going to hold it at 72 degree. Then what I will do, I will break down my alif. First, I will make one stroke. See how slow I'm going. First stroke. Okay, here I'm not talking about the measurements. Fine, I'm not talking about the measurements here. This is my first stroke. I in alif I break down all the strokes, so that's why I'm saying it first stroke. Then I'm giving some space so that you can understand the second stroke where it is coming from. Now this one will be little straight than the first one. And then the third stroke, which will be little curvy like this. Okay. So if you combine three of these strokes, you will get alif. Now alif always have one decorative thing on its head, which is known as hilia. We can also call it as dul. And in Hindi we can say taj. In English we can say crown. Okay. So now I'm adding one space between the strokes so that you can understand it well, because I said that I have break it down into three strokes, so for that only I have given space in between. Hilly, I think we have discussed in earlier sessions, right? So this is Hilia. See, Hilia is not very important in the letters, but it is a decorative thing. So without it, might be some of the letters looks incomplete. I want to learn to speak. Oh, that's a different thing. What I was saying? Okay. This Helia is a decorative thing. Like if you add it on your letters, it enhance the looks. Okay. though it is not necessary, not compulsory, you can make alif without it as well, but mostly we prefer to add hilia on our letters because it adds the more beauty. Okay, now this is our alif in three different strokes. If you combine these strokes, you will get alif. Now, why this is little bit curvy? Because the font which we are using, it's Thuluth. We are not using Thuluth al Jalli. In Thuluth al Jalli, the script, all the letters become little bit straight. That's a different thing. So we will leave it. If you ask me about the measurement of this one, then it will be around 7 to 11 nukats. Okay. Thuluth and Sulus is the same thing. Now, after alif, we have lam plus ra. Okay, lam plus ra. So, how we are going to make it? Let me write it first. Lam plus ra, so that we can write ar. Now, we will take the same height of alif. Again, we will make one more alif. Okay. Now, see, why I made the alif? Because we are going to make it a lam plus ra. So the shape of lam is same when it comes to the connection. Okay. So now this is my lam. Now this is alif till here, but if I join it with any letter, it become lam. So here we go. Now after this, you will add the letter ra. So ra has three shapes. Okay, ra have three shapes with three different names. Ra Rahmaniya, Ra al Mursal, Ra al Majmu. So here we are going to use the one known as Ra Rahmaniya. So here after this tail, you are going to add the ra. You all must have seen this shape of ra. This is quite famous one, also familiar too. Also, Arabic calligraphy, yeah, either like any of the script which is calligraphy. In general, calligraphy is a therapy. So make sure that you are going very slow so that you will add more beauty to your letters. It is a very slow process. That's why it is called therapy. Now we have connected lam plus ra. Lam plus ra. Okay. Now the next letter will be ha, mim, noon. We are going to connect three letters together, which is ha, mim, noon. Let me write it. Ha plus mim plus noon. Ha, mim, noon. Ar-Rahman. So how we are going to make ha? In connection, when it comes to the connection, our shapes take different our letters take different shapes. Okay, we do not make the same shape as we make in the individual letters. So here when it comes to ha, the shape of ha will be little bit like it will go down little bit. I'm giving little space here so that you can understand it. Now it's up to me. How long do I want to extend it? If I want, I can extend this shape till here. If I want to, okay, then it will become a little bit, creative composition. But as we are doing it for the beginners workshop, so I'm not going to exceed it. Instead, I will just go till here. So I've divided it into 4 parts. If you combine all of them, it will be just one stroke. Like if you want to combine it, then here you go. Okay, I'm giving space in between the letters on intentionally just to make you understand. Now, after this ha, the head of your ha, now we are going to make, now we are going to connect it with me. So there are so many connections which we can go for, but here I am going to choose the easiest one so that it will be easy to understand. Now, after here, I'll come back till here. Okay, I'll come back till here. I'll keep my stroke merged inside, then slowly I'll come down, little bit more, little bit more, little bit more, and here we go. Fine. So this is my hand. Now I'm going to add it with meme. So for meme, you are going to use the stroke. Okay, I'll break down all the strokes. Okay, if you are unable to understand these strokes, I'll break it down in the end for sure. And you are going to mirror this stroke. So from here, as it was thick in the starting and thin at the end, so again, you are going to make thick in the starting and thin at the end. And we will give some space in between as well, like this. Okay. Now, after this, we are done with ha and meme. Now, as we have to connect it with noon, so we are going to give one connection in between so that we can add it to noon. So the connection will have a, so here our connection will start from here, and first it will be very thin, little bit will go down, then up, and a little bit curve we will give. Okay, up, down, and a little bit curve. Like this. Fine. So now our meme is ready to give a connection, to have a connection here. So now we are going to add noon. So the noon will be easy. Just the first stroke will be changed. A long stroke as we make in ba, just little bit longer than that. Then the stroke which is coming down known as nuzul. The name of this stroke is nuzul. Now the one which balances our letter, this is known as your istakrar stroke. In English, it is balancing stroke. And then from here, we'll go up. The name of this stroke is Saud. The work of this stroke is to go up.
मैम कैमरे का एंगल थोड़ा ठीक कर दीजिए प्लीज.
Is it better now?
नो मैम, मैम नून नजर नहीं आ रहा.
No, नजर नहीं आ रहा, but it is visible in my screen. Like I have joined
Yes,
the tab,
yes,
it is
ma'am, it is
visible there.
visible.
Just do one thing. I think you might have zoomed it in.
दिख रहा है
So
मैम.
zoom out. Solo. Okay, now I'm going to like I should have left some space over there, but as I have joined it, so I'm thinking to join this one as well. There are three strokes. If you combine three strokes, you are going to get kasa. Okay, the kasa is something which you get like this. It can be in a different size and shape. Like it can you can use these four strokes and make ba. You can use these four strokes and make seen, swat, and other strokes. Okay, other letters. Sorry. here we go. Now I have so see we are done with it. Now when it comes for the Nukta. So for Nukta, we can use another column, another size of column. We can make the either the small one or the big Nukta. Mostly, I prefer the big one. I prefer the big Nukta, and we can also use different color ink, different color of the ink. Let me see if I have currently. Though I have, but right now I'm not. I don't have it on my table. So I'm going to use the bigger size column only to make the nukta of noon. Also, you can make nukta in between or else you can add the nukta over here. So in between you all know. So I'm going to add the nukta over here. A big one. Okay. So we are done with this, which is Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman. Who is going to tell me the meaning of Ar-Rahman?
The merciful.
रहम करने वाला.
Okay. What about others?
The merciful.
MashaAllah. What's your name? You're very active in my class. What's your name?
Aisha.
Sorry?
Most merciful, ma'am.
Aisha.
Yes.
Oh, MashaAllah, Aisha. Very nice. And how old are you, Aisha?
12.
12 years old. MashaAllah.
Most merciful.
Yes. Okay. So this is about today's workshop. And we learned, I'm not going to give tashkil on it because I wanted to keep it raw. For that, you need another size of column, which I have not guided you. So I'm not going to ask you to bring other size of column and make tashkil. So I'm going to leave it here only. Now, as I have said that I'm going to break it down these strokes to you so that you can understand it better. So here I'm going to do it. Meanwhile, if you have any question regarding calligraphy, Arabic calligraphy, or about today's workshop, or about our courses, feel free to ask. You can use the chat box. I am going to read all the messages here. Yes, I am going to share the recording. Once I'll upload it, I'll share it with you, okay, in the group. Also, do not leave the group because whenever I get time, I try to upload not upload sorry whenever I get time I try to make come up with a free workshop. I want one thing to put there. Okay. uh, लेने कौन सी लें please ink pen लेने ink pen there are so many alternatives also which we have. I have shared a video of that also. In that I have like explained all the things about the material of Arabic calligraphy. And in that video you will also learn how to make columns on your own. There are different types of column, different material you can use to make column. So do watch that one. That's really insightful. Is this new beginner? Yes. Why do you keep space between the strokes? Just to make you all understand like from where I'm moving and all. I want to learn Arabic. I want to learn speak Arabic. Okay, sure. You can connect with me. Sorry, I'm unable to read your name. You can connect with me. I'll guide you regarding the Arabic language course. Decorative thing. Yeah, sure. I will repeat it again. Which script it is? It is Qatal Sulus, which is also known as Qatal Thuluth. Okay. Side the camera angle, please. You can share the recording of this. Yes, I will share it on YouTube. Well, once I'm done with the session, I'll upload it, inshallah. Okay, so let's break it down and learn. So as I said that there are 3 strokes in Alif. So what were these? In Arabic, there are many scripts. There are Qatal Bisam, Qatal Thuluth, Ruqa, Diwani, we have Maghribi, we have Kufik, we have Jaldi, we have so many scripts right now. We have Nashtalik, Nask. There are so many scripts in Arabic calligraphy. Yes, sure. All the classes recording are on YouTube. So I'll share the playlist. Okay. So this is how you are going to make a lift. If I break it down, then there will be 3 strokes of it. And they actually right now we are doing the workshop, and in this I am directly teaching you how to write the name, right? But in the course we teach in very detail, like all the things are in very detail. This particular Aleph only, we started with that angle, 72-degree angle. We learn about the angle, we learn how to hold the columns and everything. So after that, after learning all the letters, then we come to this topic, like how to write the names. So this is a kind of a topic, but I choose this one so that because I'm only teaching you how to write letter, or how what is calligraphy, introduction and all. So I want to make your interest, like if you learn it, how you are going to write it and how it will look in the end. So that's why I have choose this one. Okay. And I'm breaking it down all the strokes so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now this is your Alif. As someone asked me regarding this particular thing which I have made on it, that is called this is called Zulf. Zulf, we can say Hilya, we can say Taj in Hindi, and crown in English. So how to make it? A long nukta, a long nukta, and after that we extend it, and from this point 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and this fourth one, from this point we make it a little bit curvy and connect it like this. So in the end what we get something like this. Okay, some of the calligraphers they prefer to make it pointy, but I prefer to make it little bit curvy. Okay, some of them prefer this. Yes, I will check your work. If you all are done, just wait for 2 to 3 more minutes, like 5 minutes. Let me complete this and then I will check your work. Okay. Now, this is Ra Rahmaniya, so learn about it. First, you will go little bit straight from here. Then you will dive down like this. And then from here, you'll go this right, left. You'll go to left side and then up here and then very thin. Okay, this is how you are going to make it. The space between here will be only 2 nukat, though it is a little bit big because I'm breaking it down, that's why. Now after this we have ha. So for ha, first we made the stroke which looks like this. You can also go for the stroke like this. There are so many options to make, but here I have choose this one. So let's talk about it. Then we will go up little bit like this, and then from there slowly we'll go down. And we'll merge our next stroke will come to the same point where we have started it. Okay. Then when it comes to meme, we will make meme as a petal. So first stroke will be like this, and then we will mirror it up like this. Okay. After that, as we are going to connect meme with our noon, so this will be our stroke like this. Okay. Now when it comes to noon, so for noon, our first stroke will be somewhere like this stroke. Here, though we have not, curved it a bit, but here it is little bit more curvy. Then from here we'll give our half connection, will come down, will make nuzul, then istakrar stroke, the balancing stroke, and then the one which is going up like this. Okay, and then when it comes to nukta, you can give nukta in between, or else you can give nukta over here like I did. Okay. Now, as many of you are asking me to check your work, so I am going to check. Just a second. Now, I'll put you on pin. So, kindly everyone, keep your camera on and show your work so that I can put you in highlight. Are you going to check our work? Send a photo of this in the group. Sure, inshallah, I will. I cannot get the work checked. There was a light issue, so nothing could be done. I will send you personal picture. Okay, sure, no issue. Kindly switch on your camera so that I can put you on highlight. If you want me to check your work, please. Ilma. Okay, Ilma. Alif. Okay, the Hilya which you made on Alif is little bit, going way too far than the body. So make sure to stick with the body. Yes. Yes. And when you make the lam, it become like quite straight. So try to make it little bit curvy as you made for Alif. Also, Alif, the tail part is going like little bit far. And the one which you made, Ra Rahmania, there are like the straight and then you are going down. So it is not looking apt. Yes. And with ha, we have to make the connection. We have to merge our stroke first and then we'll come out. Then we will come down. Okay. This is directly going this way. So give some curve over here. Then meme is good. This part you have made it little bit more far. Like keep it little bit close. Then noon is good. Like little bit more practice is needed, of course, but it's good. Good job. Then we have Sadia. Sadia, keep your camera a little bit up because I'm unable to see it clearly. Okay, Sadia, for Alif, good. Lam is little bit more like you have made it so thick. So try to make it little bit thin. Also, the Helia which you have added on Lam is almost like I cannot see the tail of it. So try to make it a little bit, longer. And for Ra Rahmania, same mistake as Ilma did. Like here, you have made it. Let me make it. Your Ra Rahmania is directly going like this. This is your lam, then straight, then directly going up and like this. So this is wrong. Okay? This is wrong. Other than this, ha is like okay. Ha is okay, but still, if you connect it little bit like this, it will enhance the beauty. Also, the head of the ha is going like this. Make sure to go in this way, not in a curvy way. Okay. And noon you need to learn a lot because like you are going directly this way. Give some curve over here, okay? But if you have tried it for the first time, then it's good. Good job. I'm sorry I can't hear you because your mic is not, clear. Voice is not clear to me. Good job. And we have Aisha. Okay. Aisha, mashallah, alif, lam, ra, ha, mim, noon. Very good, Aisha. Have you learned it earlier as well?
YouTube. From YouTube.
From YouTube. Okay, mashallah, very nice. There are like very, very, very less mistakes in it. It's just that alif, you need to work on alif, the hilia. Ha is good, mashallah. Meme, noon. You need to work on noon, and Ra Rahmania is also good. Just give little bit space over here. Do not close the mouth like this. Instead, make it little bit this way. Okay. Good job,
Okay.
Aisha. Very good.
Jazakallah khair.
Then we have Sufi. Okay, Sufi, show me clearly. I cannot see Alif properly. Okay, Alif, the middle part, the middle stroke is not, straight. It is like moving here and there. There's a curve in this stroke, so eliminate that. Then we have Alif. Then we have Ra. Again with Ra, this mistake you did. Ha, with Ha, the same mistake like you did. You have given a curve over it. Then Meme. Then Noon. Noon is good. Good job. Good job. Okay, so are we done with everyone? Okay, we have Aisha. Aisha, I cannot see the first, like Alif. I cannot see the head of it. Very good. Alif is looking really good. Though you have made it very straight, like it is of Jalli. The one which we are doing is Qatal Sulut, not Sulut al Jalli. So it will be little bit curve. Will be curvy. Then we have Ra. Ra Rahmania is not like you need to work on it. This is not how we make it. Show me how. I cannot see it. Like, keep your camera. Much better. The Hilia which you made is good. The head is the good. Meme, the connection of meme is not good. Like, you have made it in a one go, but you have to make two strokes, one and two separately. They should look separate. Okay. Then noon. Okay, good. But in noon, you have given like a curvy stroke, like similar. Like you have made a mirror shape. So you need to work on noon. But it's good. Okay. Okay. Before like I check the work of you, I want you all to please switch on your camera who all have done their work and also to share that work with me in my personal number. But right now, can you please all switch on your camera and show me your work so that I can take a good screenshot of you all? Everyone, please switch on your camera, show me your work. Yes, very good. Others, kindly. Thank you so much. Please switch on your camera. Mashallah, mashallah. Show your work, please. Okay, mashallah, very good. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining the workshop. Inshallah, we are left with day 4 and day 5. Inshallah, the date will be announced soon. Okay, I'm not promising you next day, but I will shortly going to announce the date in the group. So stay active in the group. Also, do not leave the group, as whenever I get time, I will shortly going to take another free workshops. Okay. Your camera is off, Reshma Bano. Reshma Bano, your camera is off. Kindly switch it on so that I can check your work. Okay. Are we done? Anyone left? Kindly share your feedback of today's workshop with me in personal number. Also, if you make this calligraphy, then do share it with me. Okay. Inshallah, I'll share your work. Jazakallah khair for joining the workshop. We'll see you again in the next workshop in our day 4 with some different topic. Till then, take care, keep in your prayers. And if anyone of you is interested to learn the course, the whole course, you can connect with me and I'll share the details of the course with you, inshallah. We have many calligraphy courses. Apart from many calligraphy courses, we have other courses as well. Also, do subscribe our channel and follow our page on Instagram. Jazakallah khair, everyone. Thank you, Aisha, Mubin, Nahid. Thank you so much.